Hey guys, how's it going? Um, I've been thinking about making a series here on YouTube about the life I'm living right now for a while now. I've just been really busy. Um, but frankly, I need to do some sort of other side project to at least try to boost my income. So, so here we are. And I think that now is just a good time to kind of give a sneak peek into the kind of life I'm living, because it's tent clean out day. Everything in my tent has gotten really dusty and dirty because of the fine desert silt that likes to blow hard through the heavy winds that frequent the area. It gets on everything. Like, I really love my car. Um, I've tried to really take care of it over the years, but this environment is proving to make that hard. I mean, no matter how much I wash it, there's just this dust, and it's just like this fine sand dust, and they call it sandpaper for a reason, so that kind of kills me. But anyways, I should probably explain why I'm here. I'm pretty much just trying to survive away from Denver. That's where I grew up, and I had a business out there. I guess I technically still do have that business, and I think that I'm just gonna rebrand it to a personal theme, because that business has not gone well, and I am now in debt. Like, not life-crushing debt, but a substantial amount of debt. Um, it's not good. So I'm just trying to live as bare bones as possible, and I'm working at this place near a national park, about 40 hours a week. Not for very high hourly wages, though, that's for sure. And I just wanted to get out of Denver and out here in the desert, the high desert, the San Luis Valley. It's a place that is really near and dear to me, despite being extremely harsh and unforgiving. So I think that that kind of gives enough pretext. So this is camp. This place offers a lot of campsites, and I was able to get them to let me stay here. So I guess it's kind of a work exchange type deal. Yeah. So got my car, 2-person tent, solar panel. I've got a personal solar setup that I guess I could make a video about. I think I already have, actually. That was a while back, though, back in the city. That solar setup is great. I mean, I have a 50 amp, 12 volt lithium phosphate battery. I have no problem ever charging my phone, charging a laptop, I have a Theragun, which is great. It's like a massage gun. I have plenty of power out here. I can run a fan 24/7, just like a little grow fan. But yeah, it gets really dirty and dusty in here. So I've actually taken all of my bedding out. I have several wool blankets, a Baja blanket, an old quilt, a comforter from like Target that's really old, that's like falling apart. And I just have taken it over here. I think this video is going to be kind of rambling, but I'm trying my best to make it coherent. And I just have, some paracord strung up. And then this has been like the real, it has pros and cons. It's bulky, but man, it's a full-size Japanese style futon, 4-inch foam. It fits perfectly into that 2-person tent. Because I have a blow up TheraPad, like single person insulating pad for camping, and a cold weather sleeping bag, and it works fantastically. But the thing is that like I just need to be able to spread out sometimes and like stretch, put my leg up in a weird way. That's important to me after a little while. That's a huge comfort thing. But I think that I probably could get used to being in a sleeping bag too. Anyways, I have it. I just beat the shit out of it. Pow, pow, pow. Just like that, because I don't even have a duster. But that's why I've been wearing this. It's because I got this wet. And it's just you don't want to breathe in that fine, like, it's like moon dust, man. Like, you can see it on my car. I don't want to breathe that in, at least. Get, like, silica lung eventually one day. I don't think that would happen. That's what people would get in mines. So, yeah. I've just been in here trying to sweep up a little bit. It can get really hot in this tent. Up to, like, yesterday, my biggest reading was 118 degrees. That'll kill you. So, but I was still hanging out in here, and this schmog is actually fantastic. I have several of these, and what you do is you just get them drenched in cold water. And I have spigots all around here of potable water. That's huge, huge. I can just soak a schmog, drape it over my head, wear the sun hat, and the thing is that it doesn't actually get that hot out here. It's just the UV that really, it literally bakes you. Like, it's microwaving the earth and you and your car and all of your things. So that's why it's really important to always be covered up. You can get burned in minutes, and if you're white and have, like, any sort of fair complexion, I mean, you could seriously damage your skin. If I were out here for long periods of time without any sun protection, I would get leathery, and, like, my chance of skin cancer would go through the roof. It's just not good. But anyways, you could see, I mean, the futon was actually catching most of the dust, but it's just, I'm out here by the sand dunes, and so there's always sand everywhere. It blows through the air, man. That's how the dunes were made. All that sand and silt just blows eastward from the valley, and then gets caught by the mountains, and the mountains push them back down. So it's a crazy place. I'll have to, I bought an annual pass because I'm 5 minutes away from it, and I need to be able to occupy myself in really cheap ways. And so being outdoors is fantastic for that. I mean, all you have to do is walk. I'll just walk for like 9 hours and go really far. The other day I visited Medano Pass. I just went down and just walked. Pretty cool. It's real cool out there. I want to start fishing more often for trout. I'm trying to think what else I should show you guys. Yeah, I have found that military gear is actually fantastic. I was getting all of my stuff just piled in a mess in the back of my car, and it was stressful and annoying to have all this stuff, never know where anything is, have to dig through a bunch of stuff just to try and find something that you don't even know if you're gonna find in the next 10 minutes. I mean, it was terrible. So it's really important, if you're ever gonna do something like this, to inventory your items. And Navy Army surplus stores, there are a lot, especially in Colorado Springs. I'll show you what I did here. It's like a little passenger plane up there. Grab my keys. Oh, and another thing that's great, you can sun wash things because of the UV. Like, all of this stuff is getting sanitized as we speak. It's pretty cool. Beat the dust out, let it sit in the sun. Okay, so before it was just a pile of junk, and now, I mean, I think I'm just gonna gloss over this because I don't want to make the video too long. We're getting to 10 minutes here. just get a bunch of little bags, put your things in the little bags, and then put the little bags in big bags, okay? And then write down which bags your little things, which bags your little things are in, and which little bags are in your big bags. I mean, this stuff is really, really durable. It's meant for harsh conditions. It's the military, okay? So, yeah, I'll make another video about how I do my inventory and what items I own, because you have to be light out here, but everything that you own has to have a really good purpose. Okay, I'm gonna end it there for now. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna post the video. See ya.